Favorite Girl by Justin Bieber himself. With the Rouge.
I always knew you were the best, the coolest girl I know. So prettier than all the rest, the star of my show, yeah.
So many times I wish you'd be the one for me. Never knew it'd get like this, girl, what you do to me.
You're who I'm thinking of. Girl, you're my runaround. And no matter what, you're always number one. My position, one and only. Adore you, girl, I want you. The one I can't leave without. That's you, that's you.
You're my special little lady, the one that drives me crazy. Of all the girls I've ever known, it's you, my favorite, my favorite.